Need a WinDirStat alternative for Mac? Start with Setapp apps that mimic the tree map feeling and make cleanup safer. Clean My Mac is the closest WinDirStat-style experience on macOS because Space Lens shows your biggest folders and files at a glance, so you stop guessing. Next, clear duplicates before you delete anything important. Gemini from Setapp finds duplicate files and similar photos, then helps you remove the extra copies so you can reclaim space without breaking projects or photo libraries. Before you delete, confirm the basics in macOS. Open System Settings, go to General, then Storage, and check the recommendations and categories to see what's truly growing. For a quick no-app audit, use Terminal. Run a du command on your home folder or a specific directory to pinpoint which folder is exploding in size. If this WinDirStat alternative guide saved you time and storage, subscribe for more Setapp picks. See you in the next video.